You are not just another case or number on a chart. Inside my fertility circle, your story matters. Every heartbreak, every tiny win, every tear you've shed in secret, or maybe even on our live calls, is held with genuine care. Here, you're allowed to cry. You can be angry, you can be messy, you can be real, because we all hold space for your whole journey, not just the good parts. This is a space where you experience your resilience, and your pain is honored and seen, and you're not brushed aside or minimized. I created my fertility circle because all of you deserve a community that not only gives you hope and direction, but truly witnesses you, supports you, and stands by you when you are about to give up and you can't do it anymore. It's your space to share, to rest, and to let hope return. You belong.